Our radio shop here in Douglas County, we have 12 radio sites that provide 700-800 DTR coverage that is shared by over 1,000 public safety agencies here in Colorado. I'm Jeff Vaughn. I am the radio systems supervisor for Douglas County Sheriff's Office. The majority of this county has filled in the last 25 years. As our neighborhoods kept growing, our needs for coverage kept growing, and then the needs for additional reliability for us to be able to provide the best services possible and to serve our citizens better. That challenge meant that we needed a lot of additional communication sites, and then of course the backhaul to go with it. And the SAF microwave we have now has been the best performing that we've had of any of the systems so far.
I am Stephen Smith. I work for the Douglas County Sheriff's Office in the radio shop. We handle everything from radio program, the individual handsets, portables, mobiles, to the radio sites that handle the macro network. We handle those communications all the way from the field all the way to dispatch.
Our radio network, our statewide radio network, has over 1,000 agencies participating now. It's all different levels of government, state, county, local municipality, fire, EMS, OEM, law. So it covers pretty much any public service that your government needs to provide.
We were looking for a new system to upgrade to for increased capacity on our links, security, encryption, just maintain integrity of the network. As our old system was reaching end of life, we ran into a couple of issues, failures, resulting in radio site loss and degraded coverage for first responders.
6 years ago, we launched a project to upgrade everything, and that's when we were actually able to get way better technology put in place. Everything is now tower top, gives us far more efficiency there, so we can use smaller dishes as well. Everything is a minimum of 300 meg throughput now. We grew the network to 19 hops. When we did the upgrade last time, we actually added 3 additional microwave hops, and we are currently in the process of adding 3 more, where we found we can add some more sites to help fill in gaps in other projects for other public safety agencies that also ride our network. That allowed us also to tie and 3 different rings are now interconnected and utilizing MPLS with that as well. So we basically have to lose 3 sites in order for any site to go down. The redundancy and the additional capabilities have just been a tremendous boost to what we had previously.
When we put out for bid for the upgrades, we had a minimum standard that needed to be met. We were upgrading from 5 nines to 6 nines of reliability. We also wanted to move from a 40-bit encryption to a 256-bit encryption for the security of our first responders and for the citizens of Douglas County.
Well, the biggest things, again, we were able to increase our bandwidth. We more than tripled our bandwidth. So as part of that, we were then able to implement a lot of security cameras and things like that at our radio sites as well. We now also have Wi-Fi APs at all of our radio sites.
We lost 2 POEs because of a surge on the power when we were doing a power upgrade. We were able to put a call into SAF. We were able to get the equipment directly in hand within just 2 hours and get the site back on air.
You can't beat the fact for us, they're basically 40 minutes up the road for us to go visit them at their location here in Denver. So,
in my 20 years in the industry, working with several different vendors, I've never had same-day turnaround on equipment.
SAF was just by far the better product, better deal. It included more things that we really needed. Some of the nice to have things that weren't necessarily requirements, but things that we were really glad we did get in addition.
For me, the greatest thing about the SAF equipment has been its ease of use. Back again, the management layer, putting it right at our fingertips has been just been amazing.
Our goal here is to constantly be improving the communications for our public safety and our citizens. We're always looking at how do we add more sites or more channels or better coverage. The microwave backhaul that we have is very flexible. There's a lot more we can get out of it. So we're looking forward to seeing how it all meets the challenges in the near future.
As a resident of Douglas County and as a father in Douglas County, I think that this equipment brings reliability and safety to our citizens.
That's where we ended up with SAF, and it's been a great fit ever since.